Hi, here's the Hunter Original Fan on the 4-speed wall control that came with the Hampton Bay Industrial. I'm going to start with speed 4. In case you're wondering why I'm demonstrating on a Hunter Original and not a Harbor Breeze Builder's Best fan, what was up, is that the control, unlike many wall controls, is 8 UF capacitor for speed 4, which is the lowest speed. That would make most fans spin too fast. But Hunter Original is different. It would spin too slow at other speeds other than high on most wall controls. That looks like factory low. Now I'm going to put on speed 3. That looks like Skeletal Hunter Original on low. And now I can put on speed 2. Still slower than factory medium, but that's still good medium speed. Factory medium is too fast, much closer to high than to low. Now speed 1. Anyways, I would say that the speed range is good. So I would use that control if I was to control a fan that draws that much current. But not for most ceiling fans, because I want a good slow low speed, not a low speed that's too fast or too slow. And that control seems to be 8 UF on speed 4, 12 UF on speed 3, 20 UF on speed 2. This control could also be used to control 2 average ceiling fans. Because if you use regular control for 2 average ceiling fans, low will be very slow, medium will be more like low. So I'll say that's a good control for 1 fan that draws as much current as this Hunter original, or 2 average ceiling fans. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.